nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Score. Kasama pa rin ang Ravenna family. So, meron bang pressure para sa inyo na itaguyod yung pangalan na Ravenna? Danny, ikaw?
Siguro for me, of course, there's coming into college, may pressure na agad kasi nga two of my brothers are already in Ateneo. So, when I said na I'm going to Ateneo, it was really a decision na I did for myself kasi I wanted to challenge myself and not live in the shadows of my two brothers who are excelling in the sport that they love. So for me naman, in another sport, pero at the same time, it's the same pressure.
Ano iniisip mo pag pumapasok ka sa game?
Siguro, I don't think about na, I have to prove something to those bashers. Parang for me, it's really for myself talaga na I want to excel in my sport na ginagawa ko yung best ko. So, yun yung coming into the game, yun yung nasa mind ko na I really want to do my best. So, yeah, that's for me.
Ikaw naman, 3D, kasi before you was Kiefer. And of course, alam natin na, ayan na, magyabangan na tayo. Diba, may record na si kuya mo when for some time, parang you were under his shadow and then coming out of that, paano mo na turn around yung mga bagay-bagay?
Yeah, for the most part ng early basketball career ko, I actually had to live under that pressure na even if others talk about it, I still put that pressure on myself. Pati ako. So, kumbaga, pressure ko yung sarili ko to be like my brother or my dad. And it really went with me all the way till college. But through the help of my coaches, my friends, my teammates, they made me realize that the biggest pressure isn't trying to be like my brother or my dad. It's the pressure of being the best player that I can be. Every single day, will I improve? What will I work on? Will I work hard enough in practice? So yung mga ganong pressure na yung nag-evolve through the years.
Kumbaga na-divert mo yung thinking mo from following your kuya's footsteps to finding your own
it's
identity
really more,
in
it's
the
more
court.
than that for me.
Kiefer, you were the first to break through the sport. I mean, siguro pagdating sa mga wisdom, ikaw siguro ang pinakamarami nun dahil ikaw ang nauna na mag-try ng lahat ng mga bagay. Gina-guide mo ba silang dalawa?
I try to be beside them, side by side, especially kay 30. Lalo na pag may mga big games, just small reminders. Hindi naman sila mahirap sabihan kasi since adults na din sila.
May Viber kayo, di ba?
No,
Family
may Viber group yan. So doon usually yung reminder, or dito even before going to the venue, before going to the...
Anong sinasabi mo madalas sa kanila?
Usually 30 more on reminders lang kasi sometimes hindi natin may iwasan sa laro. You get too intense, you get too in it, kumbaga kung tawagin. To be a great player, you have to find that balance. You have to find that feeling of in-between ng calm and yung talagang intense ka. Once you find that balance, talagang yun lang yung pag-remind ko sa kanya to come to a game, you have to have that balance. And kay Danny naman, more on lang din, na pag yung nawawalan siya ng confidence sa sarili niya, andyan kami nila mama, nila papa to remind them to remind her of the confidence na kailangan niya kasi isa siya sa mga inaasahan eh.
Pero matanong ko lang kasi ito, ang ganda ng showing ni 30 no finals. Na-threaten ka ba? Yung record mo, malapit niya na ma-break.
Oh, actually nung mga last few minutes sabi ko nung nasa 28 points, yung 30, 32, 34,
ano bang
38 ako eh.
38 points.
Pero siya sa finals, ako elimination
ilang points ka
lang.
ulit?
38. Tapos sabi ko nung nagta-34, 36, sabi ko, shucks, sana palitan na siya. Labas yun na siya. Coach Tab, gumagano na ako kasi nakakuha na siya ng 2 finals MVP na wala ako. Tapos pati ba naman yung kaisa-isa kung pwede ko ipagmayabang nakukuha pa.
Scoring record.
O diba? At least ngayon, pantay pa din. Ako pa din, diba? So, but meron pa siya isang taon to beat it and it's not going to be as hard na nung paano ko nakuha yung 38 points ko for him to do and beat it even more.
Heading off into the pros naman, are you looking forward to becoming teammates or opponents?
Well,
may plano na ba?
Depende kasi sa kanya. We haven't really spoken to each other about his plans of after college. Kasi syempre, he still has 1 more year left. I know it's not going to be that long. Kasi isang taon na lang naman yun di ba? Season 2010 ka graduate college. 13. Hindi ko kasi akala ko hindi tayo nag-abot ng college. Di ba mabilis lang? Yung 5 years, ang
yes,
bilis lang,
very
ang bilis
fast
lang
indeed.
niyan, dumaan. And next thing you know, you're planning whether to apply to the draft, explore certain things abroad. And for him, kung saan siya masaya, they supported me when I went to the States after college, and I'm there to support him, whatever adventure he wants to take afterwards. So hopefully, he just focuses in dun sa studies niya, especially ngayon, patapos na yun dun sa season 82, final year niya sa UAAP.
So now we have explored their lives as basketball players and volleyball players. Now we head on over to their personalities off the court. Makikilala na po natin sila. Ravenna family, kung ano nga ba ang personality nila. Pag hindi po nakikita ng publiko, mamaya po yan sa pagbabalik ng The Score.